Ever burn your fries in an air fryer because you had to keep opening the basket to check if they were done? Or worse, wonder what chemicals are hiding in that scratched non-stick coating? If that sounds familiar, this might be the upgrade your kitchen actually needs. Today we're talking about the Electactic 4.5 core glass air fryer. And if you're someone who wants healthier meals, safer materials, and zero guesswork while cooking for your family, this one is especially interesting. It's designed for home cooks, small families, couples, and anyone trying to eat better without spending all night in the kitchen. Let's start with the design, because that's what makes this air fryer different right away. Instead of the usual coated metal basket, this one uses a borosilicate glass bowl. That means no traditional non-stick coating that can chip over time, and it's labeled PFAS-free. The glass feels thick and sturdy, not flimsy, and it gives the whole unit a clean, modern look, especially in white. The standout feature is the 360-degree panoramic view. You can literally see your food cooking from every angle without opening the basket. That alone solves one of the most annoying air fryer problems: heat loss from constant checking. On top, you get an easy-to-use touchscreen with 8 one-touch presets: fries, chicken, steak, and more. For beginners, this is huge. Instead of guessing temperature and time, you tap a button and it handles the rest. Of course, you can still adjust settings manually if you like more control. It's very beginner-friendly, but not limiting. Now let's talk performance. The 360-degree heat circulation system did a solid job of cooking food evenly. Fries come out crispy on the outside and soft on the inside with little to no oil. Chicken gets a nice golden finish. Compared to a traditional oven, it's noticeably faster for small to medium portions. The 4.5 quart capacity is ideal for 2 to 4 people. You can fit a small whole chicken or enough wings for game night without doing multiple batches. That noise-wise, it's about what you'd expect from an air fryer. There's a fan sound, but it's not overwhelming or distracting. You can easily hold a conversation in the kitchen while it's running. Cleaning is where this air fryer really shines. Since the bowl is glass and the basket is dishwasher safe, cleanup is straightforward. No scrubbing baked-on grease off mystery coatings. If you hate cleanup more than cooking, this is a big win. Now let's be honest about the pros and cons. Pros: the glass bowl feels safer and more durable long-term. The 360-degree visibility is genuinely useful, not just a gimmick. It cooks quickly and evenly. The presets make it beginner-friendly, and it's easy to clean. Cons: if you're cooking for a large family of 5 or more, 4.5 quarts might feel a bit small. Also, glass is heavier than standard baskets, so it's slightly bulkier to handle. And if you're on a super tight budget, there are cheaper basic air fryers out there, but they won't have the glass build or viewing window. Compared to other air fryers in the same price range, most still use traditional non-stick coated baskets and don't offer full visibility. Brands like Ninja or Kasori have strong performers in this category, but at similar prices, you're usually trading away the glass bowl and the panoramic viewing feature. So it really comes down to whether safety materials and visibility matter to you. Who is this best for? It's great for health-conscious home cooks, small families, couples, apartment dwellers, and beginners who want something simple but reliable. If you love seeing your food as it cooks and want to avoid questionable coatings, this makes a lot of sense. Who should skip it? Large families needing 6 to 8 quarts, or people who batch cook massive portions every day? Final verdict: the Electactic 4.5 quart glass air fryer is a smart, safer alternative to traditional basket-style air fryers. It's not the biggest or the cheapest, but it solves real everyday problems: guesswork, cleanup, and concerns about coatings. I'd give it a solid 8.7 out of 10 for performance, design, and overall value. If you're ready to make weeknight cooking faster and a little healthier, check the link in the description to see the current price and availability. And if this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.